because of the magic of AI, we were able to keep very accurate locations for where that resistance might be.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's September 15th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. US-China talks show little progress, dimming summit hopes despite Besant citing technical gains. Crude rises on a softer USD and Trump's Russia sanction threat as the Kremlin escalates rhetoric. Nvidia slides on China's antitrust action, pressuring NQ, while Eurostoxx 50 holds plus 0.6%. Fitch cut France to A+, widening OAT buns modestly. FX steady with GBP firmer. Gold eased after a geopolitical bid. Base metals weighed by weak China data. Ahead, New York Federal Reserve manufacturing and key European Central Bank speakers. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
We're looking at the Aussie US dollar, and as you can see, not only am I in this trade, but prices have moved up on high volume into overhead resistance. Because of the magic of AI, we were able to keep very accurate locations for where that resistance might be. This is considered a weak area, but looks like it's been holding for quite a while here. So,
Looks like there's multiples.
yeah, I placed a position about here-ish in this, right as it was entering the zone short, counter to the direction that it was going. I thought it was going to move quite a bit farther. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that like magic? I thought it was going to move farther faster because there was a manufacturing number that came out at 7:30.
Oh, okay.
It didn't react to it very, once again, I don't bet on that stuff anymore because it's illogical to me. So anyway, the only thing, my logic here is went in short here, anticipating a move down somewhat to here. I put why did I put that there? There used to be a support zone there. It looks like it disappeared on me. Anyway, so my profit target is here. I may move that to, where would it be a logical place to move that? And a logical place would be down here. It's like the open and close of these big volume bars.
Yeah.
I think that'll be okay. This is US CAD, and this is the reverse version of the other one. So price, not a whole lot of volume here. There was some high volume here. That's what these are right now. Okay. Went through a bunch of little itty bitty support areas all the way down to here. And then as soon as it got to this, we had a volume spike back up to the upsides. The perfect place to get into this would have been right in this area here somewhere. It's already up here. You could still get in at this point, but you got the potential for it reversing and making you feel anxious as it approaches that support level down there. What will probably happen is prices will move up in this direction towards ultimately getting to here, but that might take all week. So what I try to do is, if I had gotten in this here, I would have targeted my exit for midway at this other support area here. But as you can see, we're already almost there.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? we invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
So that one wouldn't work so good. I guess if I got in right now, if I had to, I would get in here and I would set my profit target right there for that little mini support area. That's what I would do. So
That's a nice little itty bitty chunk.
not bad, depending on how you leverage up your positions. Okay, here we have USD Chief. This one is a lot cleaner. Let me zoom that one. So what happened here was we had lots of high volume pushing it to the downside. We hit this major area of support. Here is the indicator that fired off. This would have been exactly right where I would have gotten in. Let's say we got in here. Okay. Following my system, I would have targeted here for my profit. So from here to roughly there. Okay, so let's see how much that is. So if I go here, let's just do the bottom lip of that, the bottom edge of that to roughly there. So that's 20 pips.
That's a big trade.
So that's decent. And then last but not least, we have, oh, look at that. My trade's doing really well. Pound USD. Let's zoom in on that puppy. Same thing, except in reverse. We have overhead resistance here. We had a volume spike to the downside. So the proper entry would have been anywhere in this area right now. It's a little bit late. It would have been perfect if we got in right here, or if we could have gotten in close to where it was even closer to that. But let's say we got this shitty entrance right here because we're stupid and we were making coffee. So I'm going to get the handy dandy measuring tool. We got in right where it is right now, and we're going to ride it down to the edge of this support. That's also 20 pips. So that's not bad at all either. Okay. That would be what I would trade on that for now. And then you would put your stop slightly above this overhead resistance is how I would do that. Boys and girls, I can show you exactly what I would do. So here I would go like this. And we would enter here. We would get out here. So that's like a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay?
Perfect.
Yes.
Everybody's scribbling that down right now, Bill.
Okay, good. That is all I have for today.